Question 129, we can find the mean. Sum of all values divided the number of values. Sum of them to 150 divided by 5, the result will be 50. Question 130. If the mean of the values is 10, then the value of x equal what? Okay, he gives us the mean here equal what? Equal 10. The mean equal what? 10. He quantifies the other value here, x. So we can write the rule about the mean. The mean equals sum of all values divided the number of values. We have 12 plus 15 plus x plus 8. Write 12 plus 15 plus x plus 8 divided the number of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 times 10 equal 40. Using the product of extremes equals the product of means. 12 plus 8 equal 20, 20 plus 15 equal 35, plus x equal 40, then x will be equal 5, the difference between 40 and 35. The result will be 5 here, okay? Understood? 4 by 10 equal 40, and 12 plus 15 plus 8 equals 35. 35 plus x equal 40, then x will be 5. Question 131. If the sum of 8 values equal 48, then the mean of these values equal what? We can find the mean by divided the sum of all values here, 48, divided by the number of them. 48 divided by 8 equals 6. Then the mean here equals 6. Question 132. If the sum of a set of values is 36, we have the sum, okay? The sum equals 36. Pay attention with me, okay? And the mean of the values equals 6. So we can find the number of the values. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Then the number will be equal what? Equal 6. It's the number. Question 132. The number here will be 6. Next question, 133. The median of the values is, we can find the median. We can find the median by arrange all the values ascending order or descending order, and then find the number lies in the middle. First step, we have 4, 9, 7, 1, 1, 2. We can arrange 1, 1, and 2, 4, 7, 9, and the median will be equal 4. About question 133, the median here again we have 1, 1, 2, 4, 7, and 9. We have, sorry, it's 1 and the 2. Cancel digit by digit and digit by digit, but we have 4 and 2 in the middle. So the median will be 2 plus 4 divided by 2. It will be 60 divided by 2 equals 3. This is the median. It will be equal 3. Question 100. Next question, 134. If the mean of Manal and Shaima's age is 7 years and Manal's age is 8 years, then Shaima's age is by what? He gives us the mean of Manal and Shaima age is 7. And we have 2 persons here, Shaima, okay, Shaima and Manal. The mean of Manal and Shaima age is 7, and Manal's age is 8. Put here the age of Manal 8. Then Shaima, age of Shaima is equals to Shaima's age plus age of Manal 8 over 2 equals 7. And then we can find the age of Shaima's age. What's the number plus 8 divided by 2 equals 7? We know 2 times 7 equals 14. We can use the product of extremes equals the product of means. 2 times 7 equals 14. And one product, the age of Shaima plus 8 equals 14. Then the age of Shema, it will be 14 minus 8, it will be 6 years old. The age of Shema equals 6 years. Okay, 6 years of Shema. Question 135. We have values 5, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Has space, no mood, 1 mood, 2 mood, 3 mood. What is the mood here? The mood will be 5 and 2. We called it the mood. So we have 2 mood here. 2 moods. Question 136. The correct description that applies to opposite graph is the mean space. The mean here will be decreased or increased. We have this bullet here, we called it outlier. The outlier here filled 15 greater than this number, so the mean will be increased. It will be increased. Why the mean increased here? Because we have the outlier point. We call this point the outlier. 15 is the outlier point, and all the point here to left hand side and the outlier going to right hand side, so it will be increased. It will be what? Increased. Okay, understood? It will be increased because we have the point of outlier outside. To right hand side will be outlier, called it outlier. 15 is the outlier. The mean here increased. Question 137. Space will be the best choose as measure of the central density, the opposite graph. What is the best here about question 137? We can use the here mean or median because we have here symmetry between all points, so we can use mean and the median, both mean and the median. Okay, we use both mean and the median. Question 138. If the range of the set of values is 11 and the smallest value is 7, then the largest value equal what? We know the range equal the difference between greatest number and smallest number. This is the range. Okay, what is the greatest number here in this example? Question 38. Pay attention with me about 38. He gave us the range equal 11, and 11 equals the difference between greatest number and the smallest number. He won't find the greatest number. Subtract by the smallest 7. 11 equal greatest, subtract by 7. Then the greatest number will be 11 plus 7. The greatest number, it will be equal 18. Okay, the result will be 18 because 18 minus 7 equal 11. Next question. 139. All the following are measures the center except what? Except the range. We used mean and the median the mood to measure the center, but the range we can't use it to find center. We know the range equals maximum subtracted by minimum value of all results. Question 140. The range can't be found using what? We can't use by using histogram because we have the interval. Okay, we can't find the range here in histogram. Okay, you can't find the range in the histogram because we have the interval here and the interval, we can't find the range. Okay, question 141. The rational number represented on the opposite number line is what? This number lies between -4 and -5. It will be -4 and 2 over 3. Okay, -2 and 4 over 3. Question 142. The rational number represented on the number. This number lies between 0 and 1. It will be half, 0.5. Okay. Question 43, 143. The graph represents x less than 0 here, less than 0. We will choose what? X less than 0 about question 143. 143 less than 0, it will be -1 in integers, okay? -1, -2, -3. Choose letter B. The second one here, choose the second. Question 144. Okay, the solution here. Choose the second solution here. Question 144. The inequality that represents that opposite model is what? X here less than or equal to 1, or x less than 2. X less than 2. Okay. Next question. 145. The equation that represents that the model here, we have here x plus 2 equals the number of the total here. It will be x plus 2 equal 9. Okay, x plus 2 equal 9. Next question. 146. The mean of the values represent on the dot plot here. We can find the mean about question 146. Look at the mean here, it will be 6. We have 2 and 3 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, we can find the mean. Equals sum of numbers divided the number of them. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And the mean of the value in the number lies in the middle. Here we can find the mean. It will be 6. Because we have 2 and 9 and 8 and 3, 5. Then the mean here will be equal 6. We can choose the point lies in the middle, okay? Again, the mean of the value present is the opposite dot product. Using the mean here, it will be 6. Then the mean will be the median. In the line bullet here, the mean will be 6. Understood? Okay, we can move the point. Okay, the mean here we called it 6. It's a point balance. Okay, it's a balance between left hand side and right hand side. It's the mean here 6. Understood? In the number line, the mean equals the median, or the put about balance. Question 147. The median of the value present on the opposite dot plot. Here we can find the median about question 147. The median of the value present on the opposite dot plot. Okay. We haven't here dot plot. We can find the median about question 147. Okay. Okay, this question we haven't the number line, okay? Question 147. The result will be what in the number line? We must choose the number in the middle, okay? But this question we haven't the line bullet here. Next question 148. The mode of the values represents the opposite dot bullet. It will be what? Question 148. Look at with me here the point. We want to find the mode here about all numbers. What is the point here? The balance. We can find the mode. We have 9 and 6 and 5 and 4 and 3 and 1. You want to find the mode. Okay, the mode. The mode, what's the number was the most repeating? The mode, it will be equal 3 because 3 here repeating 3 times. It's the most repeating. The most repeating, we called it the mode. The mode, what's the number? The most had a lot of point here. 3 has a lot of point. So 3 is the mode. Question 149. The range of the values represent of this dot bullet. We can find the range. The greatest number subtract by smallest number. The greatest number here it will be we can find the range from first number and second number. The first number we have 7. It's the maximum and minimum 2. 7 minus 2 equal 5. We called it the range. Maximum subtract by minimum because we have 2 the minimum and 7 is the maximum. The difference between them equal 5. Question 150. The mode of the values here, we can find 55 subtract by 51. 55, the smallest number. You want to find the mode, sorry, here is the mode. Okay, but the range is the greatest number and smallest number. Okay, again, you want to find the mode. What is the greatest number here repeating? It will be 53. Okay, 53. About question 150. You want to find the mode. Look at which digit has a lot of point. 53 has a lot of points here. So 53, we called it the mode. The mode here will be 53. Question 151. The outliers here, it will be what? Represent on the data bullet. Where's the outlier? Who can tell me the outlier here about question 151? We haven't the outlier here, okay? It will be none. We haven't the outlier, none, okay? The outlier such that all point here, but the point to right hand side, to left hand side, we have the distance between point and the sum of point. So we haven't here outlier. We haven't outliers here. Question 152. Space will be the best choose answer of the center density in the opposite here. We can use here the mean. The mean, we must the mean, the best choose to the measure. The mean, okay, choose the mean. Question 153. The correct description that applies to the opposite graph is mean decreased because outliers here to left hand side. It will be decreased. Okay, understood? Decreased because we have point to left hand side of all points here. The outlier here it's meaning decreased, is a mean decreased. But if the point right to right hand side, we called it increased. If all point here to left hand side and one point to right hand side, it will be increased. But in this example, we must choose decreased because the outlier outside to left hand side. Question 154. The range of the values representing the opposite box bullet is space the median. We can find the range equal maximum subtract by minimum. Subtract between 10 and 1. 10 it's maximum and 1 it's minimum. 10 minus 1 equal 9. Okay, next question. 155. The median of the values it will be 35. It's the median. Question 156. The lower quartile here it will be 12. 12 it's lower quartile, but minimum 10, maximum 21, and lower quartile 12, upper quartile 17, and we have 14 the median. Then we want to find the lower quartile, it will be 12.